Last but not least, in this tutorial, I wanted to mention the integration. And why is it important? By integrating other software, for example, WorkflowMax or Receipts Bank, you can easily make sure that information passed between two softwares easily and accurately, rather than entering everything manually. And WorkflowMax allows you seamless process from the lead to the quote, to the job, to the invoice. That allows you to enter the time per each team worker that is in your project. You can, as I mentioned, you can see the calendar on the dash panel, and you can see clearly when a project finishes, or what status of the project, what margin of the project, and the financial settings as well. You can easily put in the expenses, claims, and also purchase invoices and purchase orders. And all of this information, purchase orders, invoices, and expenses, will be then published into your Xero accounting software. So why not to try to use it? It minimizes your time, minimizes the costs in terms of the time and admin. And there are many other applications that are available on Xero that you can easily integrate with.